My main development in terms of software came in the form of Photoshop. Whilst the range of features available is extremely large, I believe this year I made much better use of them. One lesson that I learned was the ability to apply a gradient. When designing my festival post advert, I thought it would be conventional for it to have a coloured image on the background. I therefore browsed the web in search of an aesthetically appealing gradient, and after a brief trial and error period, settled on a purple design. I then merged this gradient with the image of choice, and it resulted in an effective background. It was also a good choice of colour, as it contrasts well with the colour of text I plan on using, white. Another lesson I learned was how to alter an image's hue and saturation. Whilst this may seem like a fairly simple effect, it was one I had not yet experienced using. I made use of it with the main image on the front cover, and by chance achieved the red and blue design. I believe this was an effective combination, therefore applying it to my billboard as a way of creating a brand identity throughout the range of products. As previously mentioned, my InDesign ability hasn't altered that much, but my photography certainly has. Throughout the production for my preliminary task, I didn't utilise the photography as much as I could have, which is made evident by the conventional photography used throughout the magazine. However, for my main task, I chose to take a much more hands-on approach, getting to grips with the Canon DSLR and taking more photos. As this was my first real experience of using the camera, many of the photos taken were hit and miss, resulting in a shortened contact sheet, as many of the images were deleted. However, as the process progressed, so did my ability, and with every new shoot came a new challenge. One lesson I learned was how to create different levels of focus. This was first realised accidentally when I simply placed the camera on the floor and took a picture, which resulted in an aesthetically appealing photo, which had the foreground in focus and the background blurred. Whilst I didn't end up using the picture at any point in my main task, I took the skill with me for later shoots and tried to replicate the shot.